Hello friends, my name is Lakshman Mulledhar Bilewar. Today we will discuss about array. An array is a non-primitive data types that store elements of a similar data types in the memory. An array is a data structure that can store a fixed size sequence of elements of the same data type. Array is an object in Java, which means it can be assigned to a variable, pass as a parameter to a method, and return as a value from a method. Array in Java are zero index, which means that the first element in an array has an index of 0, the second element has an index of 1, and so on. The length of an array is fixed when it is created and cannot be changed later. In Java, array can store elements of any data type, including primitive types such as int, double, and boolean, as well as object types such as string and integer. Array can also be multidimensional, meaning that they can have multiple rows and columns. Array in Java are commonly used to store collections of data such as a list of numbers, a set of strings, or a series of objects. By using arrays, we can access and manipulate collections of data more efficiently than using individual variables. There are several ways to create an array in Java. To initialize the array with values, we use the new keyword followed by the type of data the array will hold, enclosed in square brackets, and the number of elements the array will contain. Then types of array in Java. There are two types of array in Java: single dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. Uh, an array that has only one subscript, one dimension, is known as a single dimension array. It is just a list of the same data type variables. One dimensional array can be of either one row and multiple columns, or multiple rows and one column. Then a multiple dimensional array is an array that contains other arrays. In Java, you can create multi-dimensional array with two or more dimensions. A two-dimensional array is an array of arrays, while a three-dimensional array is an array of arrays, and so on. To create a two-dimensional array in Java, you first declare the array variable using the syntax data type and array name, where data type is the type of data and array will hold, and array name define a one dimensional array by first declaring an array and performing memory allocation using the new keyword. That's all about the array. Thank you.